Hello everyone, I am Carmijay Muyot Malyari from STEM 1 and I am so glad you could join us today. I am very excited about today's topic. Today we're going to be talking about sigma notation. But first, what is sigma notation? Sigma notation is widely used in mathematics, science, and engineering to represent the sum of a sequence of numbers. Sigma notation is a mathematical notation that uses the Greek letter sigma to represent a sum of a sequence of numbers. In calculus, sigma notation is used to represent the sum of infinitesimal elements. So now we know what is sigma notation. So here are my group mates, Dani Kayakat, Katerina Tamayo, Jana Nicole Orong, and Marco Julio Parada, who will present some example of solving sigma notation.
So hi, I'm Danica and I'm here to show you some examples that can help you to better understand the lesson sigma notation. So, write in sigma notation y sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 squared plus y sub 3 squared plus y sub 4 squared plus y sub 5 squared plus y sub 6 squared plus y sub 7 squared and plus y sub 8 squared. So, here's the answer po and i-explain ko po sa inyo kung bakit po yun yung nakuha, kung bakit po ganun po yung naging ayos po niya. So, etong 8 po na to, ito po yung end o yung end po na to. So, natapos po kasi to sa y sub 8 squared. So, ito naman pong dito naman po, dito naman po magi-start po hanggang mag-end po sa 8. So, nag-start po siya sa 1. So, ito po yung 1 and nag-end po siya sa 8. So, ganun lang po. And ito naman po is yung y po. Tsaka ito pong starting limit. Ito pong I. So, I squared. So, ganun lang po. 8 is kung saan po nag-end, yung I po is kung saan mag-i-start, and ito po is yung is yung Y po, and I, tsaka po yung squared po. So, yun po yung first example po namin.
Hello, my name is Katerina Joyce Tamayo from SEM 11-1 and this is my part in our video presentation. My problem is the summation of 4k goes to j equal to 0, 5. So we are going to start at 0. So we have to substitute it first. 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times 4 plus 4 times 5. So let us solve this first. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 4 times 3 is equal to 12, 4 times 4 is equal to 16, and 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Now, let us all add this, and 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 is equal to 60. So, our answer will be 60. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Jana Nicole Orong from STEM 11-1 and I will be giving you another 2 examples and I will also provide a step-by-step procedure for sigma notation. So, the first thing that we're gonna do is to identify the lower limit of the summation. In this case, the lower limit is I equals 3, which means that we will start the sum with I equals 3. Second step is to identify the upper limit of the summation. In this case, the upper limit is 9, which means that we will end the sum with equals 9. So our third step will be identifying the pattern or rule that the terms in the summation follow. In our case, the terms are generated by the formula 2i minus 1. Our fourth step will be writing the expression using the sigma notation. So, ito nga yun, yung nasa ano natin. So, this means that we will add up the terms generated by 2i minus 1, starting with I equals 3, and ending with I equals 9. So, our step 5 is to evaluate the expression by substituting the values of I into the formula 2i minus 1 and adding up the resulting terms. So, after substituting this, we will now add up all these terms. So, 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 is equals to 77. So, therefore, the value of the expression 9 sigma 2i minus 1 I equals 3 is 77.
And is equals to 2, 4. So now we're gonna do is to substitute first. We have 2 change into 2 plus 3. Don't forget the bracket sign. And now we have 2 times 3 plus 3. And now we have 2 change into our last number 4 plus 3. So now we're gonna do is to simplify it. We have 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 3 is 7. And the second one is 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9. And for our last, 2 times 4 is equals to 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. And now, we got, so the summation of 2n plus 3 goes to n equals to 2, 4 is 27. And that's it. Thank you.